Where's that other one hiding? There is a. Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose.
Coffee Thing Code,
The hell
welcome to
have
the
you done
stream.
here?
We're building some pretty wild stuff today, so let's go.
Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Leaders coming in for the how the day is gone. The day is gone like this. I'm shaking up my bottle. We need to hold hands. Is it color scheme? Color scheme. That's okay. Game Princess of Palettes. Why so tiny? Is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if I do this, so now we're doing it like
That's
this.
the real filter though. No release notes for
And
unpolished
I put
builds.
myself inside a TV. It's very
Coffee
inspired
Thing
by
Code,
Space Ghost
Stony
Coast to Coast.
Eagle. That stakes it high. Bye, Boos.
Save. Give it a couple seconds. Verify. Boom. We're verified. Yes. Holy shit. Yes. God damn. Yes. Oh. 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 We got custom domains. We've got custom domains here.
Damn, glad JDDoesDev caught that
like
fast. Rotating keys and scrubbing VODs is the right call, just in time before anyone tried to exploit those leaked tokens.
Does it really unite anything?
Whoa, what was
What's
that
the deal
about?
with Unreal?
JDDoesDev.
I see it.
Please don't
Is
say
it
that
fake?
dude either, unless
the
you're
games
actually
fake?
saying it to him.
Sorry. And then I'll shoot people on over there. But I ask it once we get over there to remove the referral raid and refresh. You're welcome back here.
That's why you need a second screen or someone like me watching the stream for you.
Lurk everywhere, lurk. Old McJourney had a stream. EI feckin' O. He's glitching. He's stuck. He is so stuck right now. It's amazing. It is. This is great. This is great. He's glitching out. Check this. Irad, are you okay there, buddy? You gonna be okay? I'm going to open up Windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. Okay. So this seems to be related somewhat to pulling from the asset library. So, all right, back to coding, back to Drupal plus Godot equals, huh? The pendulum like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. That's why it looks away. But I'm trying to plan out my paths, which is why we've got the lines trailing me. I'm going to call this Tutorial Cave. Just finished up with Tutorial Cave. No, 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 no. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta. See the walk loop, make sure. Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. I'm an idiot.
Error indicators detected in Windows Terminal.
Okay, so here's where I am so far with this. Yeah, I know, Mags. Why? Why do you ask? Right, and then I want it to, what do I want it to do? I want it to, get source material. All right, where are we? Yeah, frame.
Oh, hi, Mark.
What's up, Geo? How you doing? Welcome in. Oh, I'm sorry. I was going through stuff. I'd say there's so many different ways of doing it. I'd say looking at the Twitch API docs might be a good start, but it's a pain in the ass. There are a ton of different libraries that you can use to hook into the Twitch API. Like there are JavaScript libraries, Python libraries. Yeah, Copying the Code's been making a really awesome one. Okay. Let's see a tutorial track. You know what? Printing of source. Okay. King of Swing. When in doubt, just erase its memory and start over. Also, let's look at this real quick. Oh, oh no, I'm losing connection again because why not? Why the hell not? Yeah, StreamerBot is good for that if you don't want to write all the stuff yourself. But if it's a learning experience, then that is really interesting. What I'd probably do there is have my bot account. Well, that's hard because mods can't unmod or mod other mods. So it'd have to come from the streamer account. No, with streamer bot, you can. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? You can have actions happen as the as a streamer. But let me see here. Let's look at, all right, here's this. Let's see, action, Twitch. Add moderator, remove moderator. So you could do that. All right. So we are in the apply the shader to support a warm emission tint. We're in the polish section. We're in the polish. Where are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, what else do we need? We need okay. Whoa, good God, no. Bonsai buddy, what is up? First time chat, good to see you. I just didn't want the shadows. No, it's still not showing the line. Jeez, no. Jack Sack, what's up? Welcome in, first time chat. Am I dropping frames? Am I stuttering more than my usual stuttering? All right, let's see. Nope. Go back to where we started. So, Glitchy, Electron is not a language. Electron is a framework. Like, so for example, this app that I'm working on here, not the game, not Stunclone, but my assistant Coda here, everything is written in TypeScript. Everything is written in TypeScript or JavaScript. Where Electron comes in is it's a wrapper that turns that JavaScript into a standalone app that doesn't need to run in the browser. So you see how this is a full window app? Okay, we're connected. Stream bot, start bot. Okay, there we go. Custom commands, there we go. Now, where is my persona? Marvin. Now, my system. Wait. Hold on a second. Persona. There. are issues with the personas. No. If I change persona and change screens, it resets. Oh no, I got there are no weird lines in shadows. I don't like it. Coffee Think Code does stream. Does some really cool overlay stuff working on Mayhem Badge. Now this wasn't a problem before. This was not an issue with the old the first version. No. The inner tunnel should be lit. God damn it. You're going to make me do work, aren't you? What's up with this? Wait, why isn't ship camera on? I don't like that. But ship.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Cam Crabs. But I can't move the ship? See, there I could add node. Good to know. Thank you. So I'm about tempted to just call it here on the game because it is obviously not working. Let me try. What if I visibility? I'm just getting angry at how bad it's gone when it was just fine before. Okay, see? This is better. It has to do with the world environment. Okay. See, that's somewhat better. Now, with this, how can I've got the track piece, which is a resource, but if I go to the actual scene here, surface, what if I take off the shadow mesh? No, that didn't do it. Surface 0. Okay. Now get rid of that. Grow. I mean, this is better, right? Okay, disable. Where is it? Where did I disable ambient light? On. So just changing that, but where is the ship? Um, did I miss a message? I'm sorry, I'm a wee bit distracted here trying to get 3 things done at the same time. So if I'm not catching up on chat, I apologize. Let me see if it actually fixed it before I go complaining. Wait, hold on. Let's do a full build there. All right, and then when unpacked, let's wait for this. What time is it? 11:37. So are we done? It's signing. It's building. It's signing. It's building. It's signing. Building, signing, building, signing, building, signing. Cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and building, signing, building and signing and building and signing and building and signing. That just made it white. Go to, yeah, let's give it, go to persona, select Am I just imagining things here with the images? Shit. Do that. Go to a different settings screen. Then return to persona. And it's stuck on Marvin. However, the holy shit. Okay. Wait, I gave...
Error indicators detected in code.
Uh, what tag was it? For procedural track. Vehicle lighting, camera, and what else? What else? What else? Check the code base. Not just the changed files, but the entire track vehicle system. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. Because I didn't really take one before when stream reset. So I'll be back. Okay, back. Welcome in, or welcome back. David, how you doing? Let's turn off the words because nobody's playing. Excuse me. Sorry, big cough. Hmm. Weird. Weird. All right. Is this ready? Get better, but it's stuck here. It's stuck. Oh. Why is there different? Equal. Okay. Streambot, let's start you up. Voice, persona. Okay. Custom rules, no. Let's see, automation, nope, that's not it. Notifications, no. Let's turn off desktop automation for now. Well, you know what? Is that notifications there? No. Okay, streams, that's connected. Great. Should have been connected to begin with. this setting do anything since we're using oh, and voice. Wait a minute. Voice enabled and TTS enabled. All right. So let's exit here. Wait a minute. Well, no, that would be too much, though. Still nothing. No. No, 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 no. All right. I think that we are determining this is probably a lost cause. That's how I'm feeling. Because we're stuck at one of the stupidest things possible. Just getting light to be the way that it was before. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this back over here. Oh, man, I did it again. Okay, let's see. Let's check that voice and identity. Voice is listening correctly. Stream bot. Start bot. Hey, fake JD, can you hear me? Hey, Coda. Huh, interesting. What is going on here? Let's look down. Is there anything down? Excuse me. That's all normal, but I don't see anything about the voice. Doesn't seem to be listening. Hey, Coda. Hey, Coda, can you hear me? Uh, hey, Coda. Is it listening? Are you listening? Can you hear me? What's up, Tamer? What can I do for you? Depends on the use. What's the question? It's kind of a mix, yeah. Okay. I don't really have a strong enough opinion on it. Well, let's clarify, because OOP, yes, it means object oriented, but in this context, what do you consider OOP? Like, are you talking share or resources or custom resources, things like that, or having globals, autoload, singletons, blah blah blah, or extending out classes? Okay. I wonder if this is going to break things if I try to open up other one. Did I just rubber duck for you? I'll be your ducky. I'll be anybody's ducky. So my main reason for liking OOP, object oriented, is encapsulation. Yes, it could seem a bit messy, but something that I can't remember how it was phrased, but it can simplify complexity, but if done wrong, it could add unneeded complexity. Something like that. Wait, no. What? This should still not. My personal thing. Fine by me. Now here's speed fuel test. Let's see what happens when I play this. See, I like the way this one plays. It's just the tunnels that are messed up. Yes. That makes sense. All right, speed fuel test. Got a track route. But it doesn't have anything. So where is the... Oh. This one, the track is actually defined. It seems like you're on the right track here. I'm glad I could help. I'm glad I didn't do anything. No, I'm PHP. That's my PHP web dev stuff. I've been doing it for over 10 years though. Well, quite a while, but if you count professionally, long time. Okay, track piece. What's up, Typical? How you doing? All right, let's go back here and take a look. Was there anything? I am not a captain. Nope. I'm sailing away, set up in course for the Virgin Sea, 'cause I got to be free, free to take the winds at the head of me. On board, I'm the captain, so climb aboard, search for tomorrow on every shore, and I'll try, oh Lord, I'll try to carry on. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Let's try a new experiment, Tate. Okay, Claude. Ugh. Okay, so here's what I'm going to try to do, because I like the visuals of this version. I prefer the visuals here. So you want to do the play? Looks better. I like the lines. I like the way it feels. I like the way the camera looks. Boom. Need a little bit more gravity there, but ooh, sailing away. Boom. Yeah, we did. But I want to get the track builder from there. From the new one. No, no, you shouldn't fly off the track. No. Or what's it called? It's like the track builder and track builder doc from the changes. We lost way too much when by changing everything. Wait a minute. Wait a tick. Wait. You waiting? Wait. These feels. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay. The folder. That's done. Is currently on the All right, let's give it a task. Big old task. Yeah, you do that. You do that. You do that deep, deep comparison. So deep. The StreamBot is on. And it constantly listens and scribes my voice while streaming and responds when addressed. The StreamBot does Coda tasks when I say the wake word. Occasion interrupts with its own thoughts to stream, even if I'm not. Okay. Let's see if it can actually reconcile my differences here. Aha! We found it. One of us. One of us. Gooba gabba, gooba gabba. No, the well, kind of, yeah. You know, the C sharp cult, the cult of C sharp. Wait, what? Are you actually writing this? No, this shit shouldn't. No. What? Who? Where are we? Jackson Wild, welcome in. First time chat. How you doing? Hope things are going well. We are vibing around. I'd say probably Unity. Probably Unity, Tamer, because people tend to be very protective over the language they use, especially when it comes to game dev. Well, in general, I mean, JavaScript developers hate everybody who isn't a JavaScript developer. But it's very tribal. I've noticed that. Like, if you don't use what I use, then fuck off. Jackson Wild, 20 minutes in. Oh, you got to get on that. Got to get on that that 20x. From the old, yeah. 4-point FOV, yeah, I want that. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. Okay. From new. Got that. Yes. 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 Slurp. It's slurm. Write the plan for this. No, it's easy to go through the $20 in 20 minutes. It's especially with some of the newer stuff. The models are very, very hungry. And also they don't give you the amount of tokens. It just says this tier is the base tier. This tier is 5 times the base. Base is X. You don't know what X is. But tier 2 is 5X. And tier 3 is 20X. But we don't know what X is. So X can change hour to hour, minute to minute, just depending on what Anthropic feels like. Can build a track using the tunnel. Since practicing version carried into the new modular. So the assume nothing, clarify everything. There we go. Ooh, firmware. All right, let's see if we can get fake JD back. So, Jax, what I'm working on right now, I'm trying to build out a game based on a game that I loved as a child. I'm trying to do it completely vibe coded. I'm getting very frustrated with it. I'm also concurrently working on an AI assistant bot, which is I basically want it to be my own personal Jarvis. Reach out and touch base. Your own personal Jarvis. I just told you to plan. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Hope you're having a good time zone. Oh, absolutely, Jax. So, do you mind if I call you Jax? If you want me to call you Jax or Wild, I will call you Jax or Wild, but I'm lazy. Even though I probably spent more time explaining that than I would have in all the time that you chat here. All right, Jack. Yeah, it is frustrating because you've got to know how to prompt. Where does the work land? Okay. Ask these questions, interview style. No, Tamer, no, Tamer, no, Tamer. You just wait. You just wait until this is ready. No, you just show them how to use it. Win-win. back multiple. I have rolled back by multiple commits. This. But the I did again. I always look up. I always look up when I'm thinking. There you go. There you go. I wish I could get some of that money. I wish I could get some of that. Like, hey, I just spun up this. I vibe coded this app, and it tells you when your dog wants to go outside, so you don't have to get off your couch. Okay, regenerate. Stun clone. What folder? Okay, we got that. Wolfware, what is up? Use modular widths as is. I'm Morgan Freeman, and I'm here to say that my good friend Andy Dufresne loves Huel. That's right, Huel. That's what got him out of Shawshank. Get busy living or get busy drinking Huel. Check 11 Labs. They are expensive as hell. That's why I went with Azure. Yeah, C is the definition of done here. That's right, Tama. Today you need to get up and get yourself something to drink. I'm gonna run ads. I'm gonna take a break because pre-rolls are gonna come up pretty quick. So I'll be back. All right, back. Thanks for putting up with that. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Then how are we doing over here? Did I close it? Yeah, I did close it. With the way we're doing this, let's say coda or whatever the wake word is. Okay, let's see that. Writing a plan out, writing a plan out. Yeah. Okay. That's waiting. That's waiting. Okay. Document this first in Oh, excuse me. Let's add folder. Okay, I think that I'm gonna wrap it up here. Made quite a bit of progress. I might, probably won't, but I might be back tomorrow. And this next week, are you just saying random words, Stony? I could say that too. Ice cream, pancake, doghouse. I was gonna head to cricket today. But this week, I'm gonna be out. Well, no, this week I'll be on my regular schedule. Then the following 2 weeks, I'm gonna be gone. Gonna be speaking at a conference, and then I'm gonna be in Dominican Republic. Oh, you fucker. But anyway, thanks everybody. Here's the Discord. Give me the love on YouTube. Give me the anything. Validate me, please. I need your approval. But other than that, appreciate everybody. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate all the stuff. Take care. And hold on. Wait. Is he still in BRB? Oh, good. He's back. He's back. That would have been bad.